Hello friends, in today's video we are going to cover a very useful function in Excel, uh, which is network days and work days. Along with that, I am also going to give you some bonus tips. So let's say there is a range of dates, right? You can see already mentioned on the screen 1st May 26 and 31st May 26. So if you want to identify how many work days are there, business work days I am saying, between these dates. So the simplest formula is the simplest way to calculate is equal to net work dates. Start date will be 1st May and then you will have end date, close parenthesis, enter. So as you can see, there are 21 work days in this date range. This is the first thing. Then let's say I want to identify what is the date of a particular workday starting from a particular date. So let me repeat, what is the date of a particular workday starting from a particular date. So let's say the formula will be work dates, open parenthesis, start date will be 1st May. Then I want to go 9 days. I want to calculate 9th workday from start date. So I put 9, close parenthesis, enter. So this is in a general format. Let me change it to short date. So yeah, you can see 14th May. This function becomes very powerful in calculating project deadlines, then something related to salaries, then in IT companies many times like resource cost is to be allocated to various projects, those type of tasks. This can be useful. But now we saw only work days here. What if there are some holidays? In that case, what to do? So you can simply create a list of holidays, let's say holidays, and you can put, like, let's say 26th May 2026. I'm just putting some random dates for example. Then let's say 6th May 2026. These are two holidays. So the formula will be net work dates, start date, end date, and in case of holidays you will go here and select the range, close parenthesis. So as you can see, 19 are the net work days, exactly 2 reduced from the original result. Similarly, for workday thing also you can do the same thing. So equal to workday, start date 9, equal to workday start date, comma 9, comma holidays, close parenthesis, enter. So instead of 14th May, now 15th May is the result because we have put 6th May as the holiday. Now this should work for most of the people. This should work in most of the cases because like many companies have Saturdays and Sundays off. But what if only Sunday is the holiday, or like some companies have Thursday as holiday or only Monday as holiday, or some odd days like Friday and Saturday or something like that. In that case, what to do? So I will apply. So for showing this, I will not now consider holidays, just in the interest of time. The function will be equal to net work dates, but instead of net work days you will select networkdays.intl, then start date, then you will have end date, and then in case of weekend, here are the options available, like Saturday Sunday is the by default one which Excel assumes, but instead of that, like Sunday Monday, then you have Sunday only, then some people have Monday only, something like that. So for Sunday only we will select 11 here because as you can see Sunday only is 11, close parenthesis, so 26. Now the result is 26. And similarly, let's say equal to workday, workday intl. Okay. Start date, days are 9, and in place of weekend I will select Sunday only, so 11, close parenthesis. I change the format to short date, so yeah, 12th May 26 instead of 14th May. So hope this video was useful. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video more and more. Thank you.